Sri Lanka. An island where the Indian Ocean kisses golden beaches and emerald tea hills rise into misty skies. It's a country full of ancient temples, bustling markets, and coastal train rides that feel like movies. And in 2025, it's also home to some of the best hotel offers in the world. Most travelers think luxury here must cost a fortune. But the truth? You can sleep like royalty, swim in infinity pools, and dine on world-class food, for prices that shock even seasoned globetrotters. Today, we're uncovering the best hotel offers in Sri Lanka for 2025. From budget hostels with million-dollar views to five-star resorts that cost less than a mid-range hotel in Europe, this island is a jackpot for smart travelers. Stay until the end, because the last hotel combines ocean, jungle, and luxury so seamlessly that people think it costs thousands. But in 2025, it's less than a weekend getaway in the West. Colombo, urban energy meets affordable comfort. Colombo is the capital, chaotic, colorful, and endlessly alive. And it has hotel deals that let you experience the city without draining your wallet. Budget, City Rest Fort Hostel. Dorms start around $15, private rooms $30. It's central, social, and perfect for backpackers. You can walk to markets and hop on a train within minutes. Mid-range, Merino Beach Colombo. A rooftop infinity pool overlooking the ocean, for under $85. Travelers rave about the value. It feels like five-star luxury, yet costs less than dinner in Paris. Luxury, Shangri-La Colombo. Skyline views, refined dining, and polished elegance. And in 2025, rooms dip under $190. That's world-class luxury in the heart of Sri Lanka's capital. Kandy, culture and hillside stays. Kandy is the cultural capital. Set around a lake and home to the Temple of the Tooth. Budget, clock in Kandy. Simple dorms for $12, private rooms for $25. It's budget, but the location near the lake makes it priceless. And it's a hub for meeting fellow travelers. Mid-range, Hotel Sri Lanka. Perched above the city with panoramic views, under $80. It's family-friendly, relaxing, and close to Kandy's cultural gems. Guests call it affordable serenity. Luxury, Fever Residency. A boutique escape in the hills. Infinity pools, fine dining, and suites with glass walls. And in 2025, prices hover near $170. For that level of exclusivity, it's a steal. Nuwara Eliya, Tea Country Retreats. Nuwara Eliya feels like another world. Cool air, rolling tea plantations, and colonial mansions. Budget, Sri Lanka Hostel. Dorms around $10, private rooms $20. It's simple but surrounded by nature. And the tea fields are right outside your door. Mid-range, Jetwing St. Andrews. A restored colonial hotel with fireplaces and gardens. Rates under $90 bring British charm to the hills. It's a time travel experience without the cost. Luxury, Harridan's Tea Factory. Once a working tea factory, now a five-star hotel. Staying here feels like sleeping in history. And rooms under $180 in 2025 make it one of Sri Lanka's best offers. Ella, backpacker heaven with stunning views. Ella is the postcard of Sri Lanka. 9 Arch Bridge, Little Adams Peak, and misty hills that steal your heart. Budget, Hangover Hostel Ella. Beds under $12, and yes, train track views included. It's simple, social, and scenic. Perfect for budget travelers chasing Instagram shots. Mid-range, 98 acres resort and spa. Eco-luxury surrounded by tea fields, under $120. The views are world-class. Guests say it feels far more expensive than it is. Luxury, Eco Ella. Glass walls overlooking endless hills. Rooms around $150. It's boutique luxury without the boutique price tag. Gaul, coastal charm and colonial walls. Gaul is where history meets the sea. Dutch forts, cobbled streets, and boutique stays hidden inside walls. Budget, peddlers and hostel. Dorms for $15 inside Gaul Fort. It's historic, charming, and social. And you're sleeping where centuries of traders once walked. Mid-range, Fort Bazaar. Boutique elegance with Middle Eastern flair, under $110. Guests rave about the food and personalized service. It's the kind of hotel you never want to leave. Luxury, Amari Gaul. Oceanfront luxury with infinity pools and modern suites. rooms under $170 in 2025. For beachside 5-star, that's a rare deal. Bentota, beaches and resorts. Bentota is Sri Lanka's original beach escape. Wide sandy beaches and water sports everywhere. Budget, Oasis Beach Hotel. Rooms for $25 right on the sand. Wake up to the sound of waves for less than a tank of gas. That's unbeatable. Mid-range, Centerra Sands Resort. Beach on one side, river on the other, under $95. The dual water setting is unique. And families love the all-inclusive options. Luxury, Taj Bentota Resort and Spa. Indian Ocean views, spa indulgence, and polished service. Rooms around $160. It's world-class luxury at half the global price. Mirissa, whale watching and beach vibes. Mirissa is chill. Surf by day, beach bars by night. Budget, hangover hostel. Mirissa. Beds around $12. It's social, beachfront, and buzzing with energy. Backpackers love it here. Mid-range, Paradise Beach Club. Beachfront rooms with pools, under $85. Guests say it's the perfect mix of value and location. And it's family friendly too. Luxury, Lantern Boutique Hotel. Sleek, stylish, and directly on the beach. Rooms around $180. That's boutique beachfront without the premium. Trincomalee, East Coast Escape. Trincomalee is less crowded, more peaceful. Crystal waters and cultural depth define it. Budget, Dyke Rest. Basic rooms under $15, but right on the sand. It's rustic, but the location is everything. Perfect for off-the-beaten-path travelers. Mid-range, Amaranth Bay Resort. Modern, spacious, and riverside, under $90. It's romantic and relaxing. A hidden treasure on the East Coast. Luxury, Uga Jungle Beach. Private villas in jungle settings right by the beach. Rooms near $170. It feels like Robinson Crusoe went 5-star. Sigiriya, Rock Fortress and Jungle Retreats. Sigiriya is one of Sri Lanka's wonders. A giant rock fortress rising from the jungle. Budget, Sigiriya Rockside Homestay. Family run, cozy, and under $20. You'll wake up to fortress views. It feels priceless, but costs almost nothing. Mid-range, Hotel Sigiriya. Pools with direct fortress views, under $85. Guests rave about sunsets here. It's a photographer's dream stay. Luxury, Jetwing Weligama. Overwater villas surrounded by paddy fields. Rooms under $190. It's eco-luxury that feels like a once-in-a-lifetime experience. The ultimate offer. Finally, the jackpot deal. Cape Weligama by Resplendent Salon. It's a clifftop resort overlooking the endless Indian Ocean. Private villas, infinity pools, and refined luxury. Yet in 2025, deals dip below $250. Elsewhere in the world, this level would cost $800 or more. It's the crown jewel of Sri Lanka's hotel offers. And it proves luxury here doesn't have to be expensive. So there you have it. The best hotel offers in Sri Lanka for 2025. From $12 hostels to $250 luxury villas, this island has it all. And it shows why Sri Lanka is one of the world's most rewarding destinations for smart travelers. Which would you choose, tea factory luxury, beachside bargains, or fortress view pools? Tell me in the comments below. And don't forget my must-have travel essential, the anti-theft backpack linked in the description. Like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more hidden hotel deals worldwide.